In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter the clean vehicle credit in TurboTax. If you purchased a qualifying clean vehicle and need to report that credit in TurboTax, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact path inside the program so you can get to the right section quickly and enter your information with confidence. To begin, sign into TurboTax and open the tax return you're working on. From the main navigation, go to the Federal section. This is where TurboTax organizes most income, deduction, and credit-related items for your federal return, so that's the right place to start when you're looking for a tax credit like this one. Once you're in the federal area, click on Deductions and Credits. This section includes a wide range of tax breaks, and the clean vehicle credit is grouped with other credits and deduction topics rather than being listed on the main federal summary screen. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry, that's normal, because TurboTax often organizes these items by category. From there, look for the category called Cars and Other Things You Own and click into it. This is the section where TurboTax places topics related to vehicle ownership and certain property-related tax items. If you've never used this section before, take a moment to read the headings carefully so you can confirm you're in the correct place before moving on. Inside that category, find Clean Vehicle Credit and click Start. This opens the interview for entering the credit information. TurboTax will then guide you through the details it needs in order to determine whether you qualify and how much credit may apply to your return. As you go through that section, it's a good idea to have your vehicle purchase documents nearby so you can enter the information accurately. Even though the navigation is simple, the details you enter matter, so make sure everything matches your records. If TurboTax asks follow-up questions, answer them carefully and review your entries before continuing. And that's it. To enter the clean vehicle credit in TurboTax, you'll go to Federal, then Deductions and Credits, then Cars and Other Things You Own, and finally select Start next to Clean Vehicle Credit. Once you're in that section, TurboTax will take over and guide you through the rest of the process.